So we decided to head out of town and go camping. All the actual paid campsites are closed. So we headed up to Wild Turkey Run. Where are we at? So much to Jesse's chagrin, we did not summit that hike, but we got about 6 miles in, and the next day we went on separate runs and each hung out with Frankie, which was super fun. And we also ended with a picnic at a beautiful waterfall. So we highly recommend the Chiricahuas for anyone wanting to camp. So Jesse, final thoughts on camping with an almost 1-year-old? Would you do it again?
I would, yeah. We had a lot of fun. Sleep wasn't amazing, but I think we can work on that. So yeah, I would go again. You?
Totally.
All
Thanks
right.
for the adventure. Bye, everyone.